UCF is definitely setting the pace in the aerospace engineering field. We're definitely in an area concentrated heavily in the aerospace field.
We're really lucky to be here in Orlando because all these different companies give us the ability to collaborate and to come up with really unique and exciting projects for the students that are practical and that are going on in the industry right now.
So I get to play with fire. I am currently working in the combustion lab, so I get to do a lot of experimentation.
Here at UCF, I'm working on thermal barrier coatings, which are materials applied to turbine systems. When I first got to UCF, I saw the great opportunities, in particular with all the faculty here working on diverse projects in mechanical and aerospace engineering.
It takes all of our different interests and expertise to be able to do the research that we're interested in pursuing. So UCF is growing in a lot of different directions, and one of those is the biomedical engineering program, which gives students new opportunities here at UCF that they didn't have before. One of the most unique opportunities that our biomedical engineering students have here is to learn from our medical school, to be able to see parts and implants from a perspective that can't be offered in a textbook.
I actually thought I wanted to go into medicine, but I ended up at UCF and taking all the technical classes, and he ended up sort of pointing me towards engineering instead of the medical sciences.
UCF is America's leading partnership institution, and for mechanical and aerospace engineers, it means that they can come into our department and successfully participate in research and learning activities that will make them strongly competitive for positions at those companies.
When I was making the decision to go to grad school, I couldn't really come up with a reason to leave UCF. I thought it was perfect here. It's a great campus, it's a great environment, and who doesn't like Orlando? So I stayed at UCF for all 3 degrees.
I've always been someone who wants to reach out and make the world better, and the program here at UCF made me aware of all the opportunities there are out there, and if I just further my education, the opportunities are endless, they're limitless.
I always wanted to use engineering for more than just inside the laboratory and to see that impact. My research professor always puts such an emphasis on giving back to the community and using what you learn in the classroom to actually help people.
When working with students, my goal is to have them to reach a level of achievement that they didn't think was possible for themselves.
I'm really passionate about a lot of things. I want to move forward combustion technology for the future to try to have us rely less on fossil fuels so we can leave the world better than when we got it.
And what UCF really stressed in me was that we need to go out and find an area to make our impact. And so you're coming to UCF not just for the piece of paper at the end which says that you can learn, you can do things well, but to leave your mark along the way.